Our presentation is on the topic optimal supply chain establishment using genetic algorithm. We focus on need when we are establishing a new position or a new city. We want to keep position for different shops and different warehouses. This requires strategic planning and consideration of different attributes like labor cost, population, etc. So our solution which we are offering is a strategic geo-position finder. We use the latitude and longitude of n shops and m warehouses for establishing a supply chain. We get the M and N as the input from the user as the number of shops and number of warehouses they are trying to establish, and we find the optimal positions for the both the shops and the warehouses. We consider all these factors while considering the profit. The profit score is calculated using the population, the labor availability, average spending by a person in that area, the type of area which you are trying to focus, and the distance between each warehouse and shop and between two shops. We are using a genetic algorithm to complete this process where we create a population where each member of the population represents a single entity which defines the position of n shops and m warehouses using the latitude and longitude of each shop and each warehouse. Each population member can be scored using the fitness function which you defined in the previous slide, and everyone is given a profit score. And you select the population people with the most profit score and make them reproduce and crossover to create better individuals. Then you add some small randomness to the population to make the positions a little bit random. This comes as a mutation, and we repeat this process in a recursive fashion to get more better individuals. As output, we get the final optimal position for each plan. This is the example of an interface by having the map of Bangalore. We're getting the input as number of warehouses and number of stores from the user, and we find the use genetic algorithm to find the output. This is the optimal planning which we have found.